The children gather in the lush garden, ready for fruit picking day. The garden bursts with colour, the trees heavy with ripe fruit. The air buzzes with excitement as the kids prepare for their favourite activity. Under the warm sun, Ella carefully selects ripe red strawberries. Max reaches for shiny bright oranges, his eyes sparkling with delight. Lily gently gathers sweet cherries, her basket overflowing with the juicy bounty. Each child, lost in their task, fills their baskets with the vibrant colours of the harvest. A sudden gust of wind tears through the garden, disrupting the tranquility. The fruit basket tips, sending the gathered harvest tumbling across the earth. Fruits scatter wildly, a vibrant array of colours amidst the greenery. The children gasp, their faces etched with dismay as their efforts are undone. In the garden, Max surveys the scattered fruits, his sigh echoing his deep disappointment. The scene is a tableau of chaos and loss, a stark reminder of the daunting challenge that lies ahead. "Oh no! All our fruits are lost!" Max exclaims, his voice laced with despair. Ella's encouraging smile inspires the children to unite. "Let's work together and rescue them," Ella exclaims, igniting a spark of courage. The children, galvanized by Ella's spirit, decide to confront the challenge as one. In the garden, the children scatter, each driven by a shared purpose. Max ascends a small tree, his silhouette framed against the sky, reaching for a forgotten orange. Lily ventures into the shadows beneath the bushes, her quest leading her to hidden cherries. Ella delicately navigates the thorny branches, her gentle touch revealing the hidden sweetness of strawberries. United by their individual strengths, the children work together, their efforts culminating in a collective triumph. The woven basket overflows, a symbol of nature's resilience and unexpected bounty. Neighbours arrive, their arms filled with gifts from their own gardens, transforming sorrow into a celebration of unity. The garden transforms from a place of loss to a vibrant testament of community strength. Beneath the oak tree, children and neighbours gather, their laughter echoing through the afternoon air. A colourful array of fruits lies spread out, a testament to their shared effort. Animated chatter fills the air as they enjoy the fruits of their labour. The scene radiates a palpable warmth, a celebration of community and shared joy. Max beams with gratitude, acknowledging the power of teamwork in their shared triumph. "I'm glad we didn't give up," Max says, his voice filled with genuine appreciation. He emphasizes the joy of collaboration. Helping each other made this even more fun. Ella nods, her face glowing with shared accomplishment. Kindness and teamwork make everything sweeter. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a story.